Alright everybody, we got a package that I ordered from Macari and United States Postal Service. It's I know everybody that Little McDonald's is now discontinued because it's now TMNT X Hello Kitty is now McDonald's Happy Meal his turn. So here's our last one. Since I got the same toy of except last time we did the sign and I don't remember, but except 2 chairs that we just had the same order. Anyways, we got the fountain drink machine, or fountain dispenser, I think. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce it rightly, but let me get my tripod. I only got Elinor Fluttershy in the car. We're not going to use Zeke because his left arm is broken. For this episode, when we go to Valhalla, we are going to... Sorry, it's just Emo playing with his Rubik's Cube. Also, let me get my tripod right now. For this Zeke Wombat, we're gonna keep him in this blind bag. Plastic bag. Alright, let's get the tripod before we go somewhere. There's gonna be something special in Kensico Dam Park in Valhalla. Sundays in the park, which is just like ice cream. Let's see what they have. Which today's our last day, every Wednesday. Alright, let's start opening. I might have to use the back because you gotta be careful. I don't want to leak addresses. But let's start opening this side. Here it is. Alright everybody, I think it's a Happy Meal box inside, or oh, I gotta be careful. It's so weird. Here's the flyer. The dispenser's inside. We will get it shortly, but here's the collection. Alright, now let's see what it is. And here it is. This is that I wanted. Alright everybody. It looks like water. See this blue one? It looks like water to me. Alright, hope you like it, this one. Has a button. Focus. Alright. What do you think about this? Yes. You got Fluttershy and Elinor. Yeah. Alright. Let's make it good. Alright everybody, here it is. Sorry about the focus. Here's the fountain drink machine. Sorry, it's just my LA Metro bus. Twilight Sparkle. Focus. The old version. Here's the Washington Metro. Sorry, it's just my iPhone. Alright, then here's the bell. Have 20%. Alright, turn off the flash. Let's see if it's good. Let's do a flash since it's better. And here's my LA Metro bus back in April that I ordered. Let's take a look before we have it in the video. This is a bonus for this. And here's the blue line. Oops. Here's Diesel Doozy. Here's the Express. The local, the orange line bus is sold out as of today. Here it is. Oops. Hello Kitty. Alright, let's put Hello Kitty. Chromie and Sapphire we'll put on the Metro Rapid Limited bus. Here they are. Alright, hope you like it. Sorry my lens aren't good, but that's it. Yes. Oh, let me change it into CapCut voice so I could edit. What do you want to say?
I hope you like my McDonald's Little Happy Meal from McCurry. Bye.
Okay, that's it. Hope you liked it. And like and subscribe.